Okay, this one here, now we're running on the helmet mic. It should eliminate a lot of that wind noise. So here we go. Yeah, the old mufflers are a little bit on the loud side, but it's kind of fun. We'll see how stable the iPhone is. I've got it mounted to a kind of a flexible mount, which promotes a little vibration. We'll get to hear what it sounds like when I tack it up a little bit there. The old carbs seem to have a little bit of a flat spot right around 3/4 throttle. Then it recovers. So I don't know. Something to work on. Have to see what it sounds like backing down a little bit. Well, that should be a pretty good test. We'll shut it off for now.